Hello everybody. Today we have some bullish price action for the crypto market. So let's have a look at liquidations. So we can see today we also had some very nice short liquidations. Yesterday we had two big ones and then the rest were smaller. Today we have like 2, 4, 5 hours of liquidations, which were higher compared to yesterday. So that's it's a nice bullish sign. So let's go to the charts. If we have a look, Bitcoin from a bigger perspective, we're still in this blue square, which is the range from January from this year. We still have the bullish deep crab, which is in play on the daily time frame. And then if we go lower, then we still have this harmonic pattern playing out. So it seems the low yesterday was the final low. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see here we had our last high and then the lower low. Then we were consolidating, breakout, we are making a higher high, and now let's see how it goes with the low. So on my swing trading account, I did close my long after it did touch and got rejected from the golden zone. So let's remove this one. Where am I looking now to load up again? Well, you take the Fibonacci retracement from point C to the high we just had a couple of hours ago, and then again the golden zone, so around 31,450 to 31,300. That's the region I'm looking to get into a new long position. I've also marked out the close for the CME Bitcoin futures from last Friday. So most of the time the gap gets filled. It doesn't necessarily have to be, but since we are so close to the close of the CME futures, I'm almost quite sure that we will fill it, the gap. So I think they start trading at midnight European time. So yeah, that's another 3 hours. So price will come down here and then most probably find support at the golden zone. Let's have a look if the volume can tell us more. Yeah. Also the point of control here is around 31,930. And then actually the very area low would be at this 4-hour support line, which is at 31,211 on Bybit. So yeah, it looks like we will come down to grab some liquidity over here, and then a rebounce. And let's hope we finally get above the 4-hour high, because that would be point B if we go to the 4-hour chart. So far we still didn't manage to get above any 4-hour high. So the last time before we reached point D was this point X, which was the highest. We failed to get over it, did come down again. We didn't make a lower low, so that's good. And now we're making a lower high on the 4-hour time frame. So let's hope this will now be the final bounce to get over it. Then that would be really, really good. Then we can set us up for higher highs, and actually point B is at 35,500. 35,500. We need a bit more for the algo to trigger along. So there we need 36,689. 36,600. Yeah, more or less over here. So for the algo, we also need to take out point X and close above it on a daily time frame. All right, Ethereum. Let's also take the bigger picture. So here also in blue, the range we are currently in. So no lower low since we got here. But also, let's have a look on the 4 hour. Also no higher high here for the 4 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour, yeah. So yeah, it's the same price structure as for Bitcoin. So on the 1 hour time frame, we already made a higher high, but on the 4 hour, not. And here we're gonna have to watch this weekly, whether it will act as resistance or do we go above it and maybe retest it and then go higher. Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we're pushing up again. So that's good. So Bitcoin will do better than altcoins. And then what's left? The fear and greed index. So we're now at 22, and yesterday we were at 20, so not much has changed there. All right, good. I think as a conclusion, we can say that it starts to look more bullish, the price action, and that we finally can see again for more upwards, upward targets. Let's have a look maybe at the volatility. I didn't add it here. B-roll. It's coming down. Good. So the low to the high. And let's also add the 0.5. Yeah. Good. We're slowly starting to fill the triangle, and let's see what the future will bring for us. Good. All right, let's talk tomorrow. Bye bye.